Webinars, conferences, workshops, roundtables. Every B2B marketing team runs them. But very few actually calculate the pipeline value before committing the budget. Is a 3 lakh webinar worth it? How many leads do you need to break even? What's the actual ROI? Today we answer all of that in just 2 minutes. Hi and welcome back to the Upgrowth YouTube channel, and today we're looking at Webinar Event Marketing ROI Simulator. 87% of businesses choosing wrong without data has been the case. This simulator exists because the same decision paralysis kept showing up because the same decision paralysis kept showing up in Upgrowth's field and past experience. The number tells a different story, and they tell it before you spend anything. So let's run them. Let me quickly show you how the simulator works. Now, here are 6 inputs that you can see, all very specific to event economics. You can either add the numbers in INR or USD depending upon how you generate income. So I'll start with entering some numbers for you. Now let me say that the event budget is 3 lakh. I've already pre-filled. Then expected registration. Now, how many people you expect to register? I'll put 500. Achievable, right? With a decent email list. Then the show up rate. Now people have registered, but how many people, how many percentage of registrants who actually attend? So industry average, let's say 42. For 50% is the industry average, so I've added 45. Then fourth input is conversion rate from attendees. Now the percentage of attendees who became qualified leads. Now let me put 12%, I've already added. Then the average deal size. Let's say 1.5 lakh is the average deal size and the event type is webinar. Now, once I have added all the details, I'll hit on calculate ROI. There you go. Now you can see the insights, right? Number one, expected attendings 225. Now that's 45% of 500 registration, which is realistic. Qualified leads 27. Now 225 ka 12% is 27. So you get 27 people who showed genuine purchase intent during or after the event. Pipeline value comes out to be 40 lakh 50,000 rupees. Now that's 27 leads multiplied by 1.5 lakh ka average order value. So over 40 lakh in pipeline from just one webinar. So what's the cost per lead? 11,111 11 paisa. Now that's 330 lakh budget divided by 27 qualified leads. So for B2B with a 1.5 lakh deal size, at 11,000 CPL is very healthy. You're just spending 7% of deal value to acquire a lead. Your ROI comes out to be 1,250%. Now that's the pipeline value against the budget invested. Strong ROI. It's a very strong ROI because your average order value is really high. So what's the key insight? Strong ROI of 1 to 50%. 27 qualified leads from a webinar. Consider running multiple webinars per year. The last recommendation that it gives us is that most actionable, it's also the most actionable takeaway, is that most B2B companies run 1 or 2 webinars a year as standalone events. The simulator's math suggests a quarterly cadence would produce 100 plus qualified leads annually at the same CPL. That's a consistent pipeline engine, not a one off event. You can also quickly look at some of the related simulators that you can run next, all specifically about the revenue journey. Sales cycle reduction simulator, there's marketing plus sales alignment ROI. Then there is market qualified leads to sales qualified leads conversion simulator. Then the PR versus content marketing. All of these are very crucial if you're into marketing, if you're into sales. So do check these out. So all in all, the webinar and event marketing ROI simulator in one line is it tells you the pipeline value, cost per lead, and ROI of your event before you spend anything. So run it before every event budget approval comes, and use the stress test inputs to understand your flow scenario. Link I'll add it in the description. Subscribe for more simulators and we'll see you in the next one. Meanwhile, we have recently launched Groove. It's an AI growth marketing strategist. So you can have a convo with him as well when you click here. Try Groove free. It's completely free, no login required. And in just 4 minutes, it will help you solve your most important or most problematic problem ever, but it has to be marketing specific. So do check this out, chat with him, and you'll get most of your answers. Thank you. Have a good day.